Garty, what do you think? So here we are. It's a fridge. Not just a regular fridge. This fridge runs on propane gas or AC power. And 4 years ago, when we made a choice to go off-grid, I have to admit, this kind of appliance was on our to-buy list. But we just got carried away buying tools and other stuff, power banks, because we thought, everything needs power, electricity is everything. Well, we spent our first 4 years with a little kind of minibar fridge, which we ran off our power bank. That was great. Right, G?
Yes, especially on a hot summer days.
That was great to cool off the drinks. But this 265-liter fridge is a full-size domestic kind of refrigerator. So I guess without any more sugarcoating, let's switch it on. For today's video, I would be only switching this fridge on the AC power, as our gas bottles, which we use for cooking, for heating the caravan, is butane gas. And this fridge runs on propane gas. As this is the absorption refrigerator, it literally makes no noise. It doesn't have compressor, it doesn't have any fans, it's just silent. No noise at all. Even when you switch it on after a long period of time, there is absolutely no noise. You can feel a little bit of heat. Even though we just recently upgraded our solar system, but this refrigerator, I just can't wait to test it in the winter. Everyone is saying Central Portugal is off-grid as paradise with 300 sunny days a year. Yes, that's true. But the rest, 56 days, might be a little bit grim, dark and dull. Every winter we got about from 4 to 6 weeks when it's just rain, clouds and rain, and you can't see the light. So next winter, we're gonna put this fridge into the test. So I would like to say a massive thank you for SMAD Electrical Appliances providing us with this off-grid absorption refrigerator.